This is our volcano that Tristan, Luca, and Cristobal have made out of paper mache. I'm just going to take a little spin around the volcano. It took a couple days with newspaper. Then they had to dry it. And then they had to wait and paint it. There's the volcano. Inside we have a bucket to put the lava ingredients in that we're going to do. Our lava make the volcano erupt. Okay, now if you can put in a couple of tablespoons of baking soda. Okay, more. You can do big scoops. Okay, a couple more. Okay, now squeeze in some dishwashing soap. Okay, that should be good. Thank you. Okay, next we're going to use water. Okay, pour in some hot water, maybe halfway in. More. Okay, stop. Now step back. And next we're going to have, the last ingredient is the vinegar. Now, pour in some vinegar. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow! Pour in some more. There's our volcano erupting. You can keep pouring in some more. I think, there we go. Stop. Okay. It's not as much as we'd hoped for, but it did erupt. Okay, there we go. Nice job. Okay, let's get off the stream.